Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video for you. I have never tried any makeup challenge videos, so I thought let's just try a new makeup challenge because it's actually getting very bored. I'm just doing reviews, and even I'm getting bored. So I thought let's just put a makeup challenge video in between, so even you can watch and enjoy the video. So I have seen this video where you take around 1 hour to do your makeup, and then you wash off your makeup and then again you do your makeup in 10 minutes. So let's try this. I had seen Nikki tutorials. She had done this video, but she had done, I think, in the other way. Half face she did in 60 minutes and half face she did in 6 minutes. So I'm not gonna do that. She's a pro, she can do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm going to do this. I'm gonna do my entire makeup in 1 hour, then wash it off, and then again do my makeup in 10 minutes, and let's see how it's gonna turn out. So yeah, I'm not gonna do any great type of eye makeup as such. Very easy makeup because I have to recreate it again in 10 minutes, and if I do something really difficult it would take me a really long time, because only eyebrows take around 5-10 minutes. So before starting the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Guys, please pause the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to my Instagram and follow me there. Please support. I just want your support so I can grow on Instagram and YouTube as well, and yeah, I can create much more interesting videos for you. So yeah guys, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. If you want, you can also share it with your family and friends if you want, but please do subscribe. It is free, and follow me on Instagram. So let's just dive in the video. So I'm not gonna show you any products because if I keep showing you all the products it will be more than 1 hour, and I don't want to do that because I have a lot of work to do. So I have put a timing for 1 hour, so I'll just start it now. I hope I finish my makeup before that. So I'll just quickly prime my lips because I always love to do that, and I'll moisturize my skin because this is the second time I'm sitting again to do my makeup. I sat in the morning, then filmed a couple of videos, then had lunch, then now I'm again sitting to do my makeups. And honestly, I take a lot of time even during videos. I don't just keep things open, I close it as I use the product. A lot of people do those kind of videos where you waste a lot of makeup products and skincare and everything just to make your videos interesting, but I'm not one of those. I had tried once, and honestly, let me tell you, after just pumping that foundation and that foundation was dripping, after doing that I stopped my video. I was first cleaning it and then I continued with my makeup. I am those kind, I don't like all that. So I'm just going to use a light coverage foundation because it's too much now, and I want something which I can easily blend, and it is very easy to blend, and I don't have to take a lot of time blending. So I already uploaded a Diwali video. Did you like the video, guys? See, honestly, I don't know what people do on Diwali. I know there are different things that people do, but I don't know how they get ready. I just did whatever I wanted to do. I have my friend who celebrates Diwali, but even she doesn't do this whole lot of makeup. I'm using this Loreal concealer. I actually really like this concealer. I have this friend who has come and it's not going. He doesn't want to go. That moisturizer is actually very minty, so it is kind of tingling my face. So now I'll just set my eyes with a loose powder, and I'm going to use a compact powder to set my entire face. I just set my under eyes with a loose powder. Now going on to blush. I should have done my eyes first. I don't know why I did my face first. Anyways, I'm not gonna do anything too much to my eyes. It's actually too much. Now I'll quickly set my face. And I forgot to use my bronzer. It's actually been only 9 minutes. Now we'll do a bronzer. Benefit Hoola is my favorite bronzer because the color is also so good. They have now a light Hoola as well as the caramel Hoola for very light and deep skin tones, but I'm not sure whether the caramel one is suitable for even the deeper skin tone. It's kind of looking patchy because I did it above my setting spray, but that's okay. They came out with a huge one of the Hoola bronzer, I think few months back. It is kind of costly. Now we'll do highlighter, my all-time favorite Anastasia highlighter. So I have filmed a Diwali makeup look for Instagram. Now we'll do a bronzer. Benefit Hoola is my favorite bronzer because the color is also so good. They have now a light Hoola as well as the caramel Hoola for very light. I didn't actually wear the jewelry while filming the video. As soon as I finished doing my makeup, I wore my jewelry, and actually it was around just like 5 or 10 minutes. I was starting to take my pictures and my necklace actually broke from the center. Actually it was pretty old, so I can't really complain about that, but yeah. Anyways, now we'll do eye makeup. For this I'm using Colourpop eyeshadow palette. This palette I'm using, this is the Cute AF Yes Please palette. I'm gonna take this peachy color and put it all over my crease. And Colourpop has amazing eyeshadows. These palettes are really affordable, so if you find any, just grab it. It is so good. And I wanted to buy the Kathleen Light So Jaded palette. She has come out with the new Colourpop collab. It is a huge palette, and I actually forgot to purchase it. I ordered the Morphe setting spray from Glamazil, and after ordering it I saw the palette. I actually wanted that palette. It is actually really good. But if you find a Colourpop palette, you can find it on Glamazil actually. Now I'm gonna take this deeper shade and just put it in my outer corner. And Colourpop has amazing super shock shadows. The metallic ones are really good. They have come out with the new I think CC cream, which has hyaluronic acid. I want to buy that actually because I love how the good BB or CC cream looks on the skin, but I need to order it from their website because not everything is available here, and they have a lot of shade range and not every shade is available here, so that's the problem actually. First and the third shade are matte shades, so I think I'll put this all over my crease because I don't want to do any shimmer eyes, because I'm kind of doing shimmer eyes a lot. I'm just doing that actually, so I don't want to do a shimmery eyes. So this will open up my eyes, and I've never done a complete matte look, so this will be a complete matte look. And we'll do our inner corner, that is a must. Now we'll do lower lash line, dark color on the closer to your lash line, and then blend it with a lighter shade. I don't know how long it's been because usually eye looks take a lot of time. Now for my inner corners, I'm going to take this golden shade and put it in my inner corners. So this is actually my eye look. Now we'll do our eyebrows. I love to use the powder, Benefit powder. It is very easy to use, and it doesn't take you a very long time. I don't like that very carved eyebrows. I don't like that. Now I'll set it with my eyebrow gel. I only use this Essence one because it is very cheap, and this easily finishes off, so I don't want to invest in a high-end product. I've seen a lot of makeup challenges actually, and I'm gonna film now because I too don't want to do just reviews and makeup looks. I want to do some makeup challenges also. Now we'll do mascara because I'm not gonna do eyelashes. It takes me so long, and I actually don't know to apply it properly because I've never applied it. It's gonna take me a lot of practice to do it. So as I was telling you, I'm gonna do a lot makeup challenges from now on because it kind of gets boring watching same reviews and makeup looks. Obviously it is a makeup channel, so you will see makeup looks, but kind of want to make it more interesting. So that's actually all that I am going for my eyelashes. Now actually we are left only with lips. I had used some very heavy coverage foundation. I would really take a lot of time just to blend it because full coverage foundation should look good and it should be blended properly, otherwise it will be a cakey mess. Now I'll just quickly just line my lips because I'll use a liquid lipstick. For lipstick I am going to use the L'Oreal signature liquid lipstick because it is kind of stained lipstick. I hope it doesn't stain my lips, and these are very comfortable. I would actually recommend this liquid lipstick. It is really very good. It is really very good, and if you get it on offer, that's great because it leaves a beautiful stain on your lips. It doesn't look bad, you don't feel anything on your lips, so that's actually good, and it is very comfortable. I don't know, similar kind of eye look I did during the day. I'm doing this kind of eye look, I don't know why. So this is how the lips is looking. So actually I'm done with my makeup because I'm not doing anything to my hair nowadays. I'm just keeping it natural and not heat styling it because it is very dry actually. So yeah guys, this is my makeup. Actually loved the matte look. Now let's see how much time I took. Oh, so it's now there is more 34 minutes left, so that means I took around 26 minutes to get ready. So now I have to wash my face again because that's the challenge, that you have to remove your makeup again completely, not a single thing on your face, and then you have to do the makeup again in 10 minutes. Maybe I can do it in 10 minutes, I'm not sure, let's see. So I'll just quickly just wash off my face, I'll cleanse it properly, and I'll be right back. So I have put my timer for 10 minutes, and now you're gonna start, and now I actually have to hurry. I don't know how much time is left, seriously. Challenge is all over. I actually did almost half my face, and when I checked my cell phone, I had set the timer for 10 hours and 10 minutes. I had to wash off again, now doing this for the third time. So now I'll start. 10 minutes is actually a lot. I mean, it's less, and I don't like to do things in a hurry. I'm not that type. I need to be prepared. By the way, this moisturizer is really good. It is from First Aid Beauty. I don't know whether I'm doing the challenge correctly or not because people are taking almost 1 hour to do their makeup, and they don't have enough time, and I did my makeup in 26 minutes. I don't know if I did it wrong or right, but it's a challenge video, so I don't think there is any problem in that. My things are getting messy, sticky, everything. I'm not liking it. I don't like stickiness on my hands because when I touch the things, it gets all messy. I have OCD, I can't help it, because my nanny had a big time OCD. She was a big time, and then my mom and my khala, and now me, and actually even my hubby. Now I'll set my face. Oh my god, I don't know how much time is left. Actually, eye makeup takes a lot of time, and my skin is actually burning from putting on makeup and washing it off. Eyebrows. Oh my god, I don't know how much time is left. 6 minutes. I'll do my eyebrows first. because without eyeshadow it would look good, but without uh, you know, eyebrows, it won't look good. Can't do eyebrows in a hurry. Ew, it's so patchy. Now going with the eyebrow gel. Now going with the eyeshadow. This is the fastest I have ever done my makeup. Oh my god, finding brushes is a task. Where is my brush? Literally, where is my brush for my lower lash line? Honestly, I can't even find it. Lower lash line is a mess. Now quickly I'll do lips. I'll put on some mascara. My left eyeshadow, my lower lash line is beyond limit. Now I'll quickly just set my face. See, that what happens in a challenge. Only 29 seconds left. Oh my god, my lower lash line. I should have done my setting spray first. I don't know why I did it last. But anyways, this is the final makeup. This lower lash line eyeshadow is, I don't know, gone till where. It's beyond my limits. My skin is actually burning because I washed it and have applied makeup so many times. So yeah guys, how did you like it? I think it is pretty good actually, because I usually take around 10 minutes to do my everyday makeup, but not eyeshadow. But I didn't do anything that great for my eyeshadow. Also, my under eyes is dry. So yeah guys, this was for the makeup challenge. Let me know in the comments below how did you find this video, and let me know in the comments below what kind of makeup challenges you want to see me do. So yeah guys, this was my first makeup challenge. This is horrible actually. So yeah guys, I actually enjoyed it. I don't like the time thing. I'm not good at that because I need to clean my hands, close the things, keep the brushes in the place. So I get really annoyed, and 10 minutes is not enough. So yeah guys, if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, like and share my videos, and follow me on Instagram. And yeah guys, I'll meet you soon in my next video. Until next time, bye.